Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello? Cool. Oh, 13 people. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So yesterday we talked about JUnit for service layer. I don't know. Have you tried anything in that? Any question, any query? Hey, no, yes. Anybody have any question, query? Hmm? Please reply.
That's right.
Hmm? No, yes.
No question, sir.
Okay. So today I'm planning to give you some idea, and I don't know, you guys are doing assignment or not. That is another thing. If you know, we have to do it. Anup, Mr. Anup, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
You are coming after a long time, I guess.
Yes, sir. I've been missing a couple of classes.
Hmm. Okay. My friend, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach you Spring Security.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. New topic. Like right now, uh, so I'm thinking, let me think. If I apply, this is which one is this is your project? Spring Security that we can apply. Hmm. Mhm. Just a second. Cool. Charles, let's do that. Actually, you need to understand what is the meaning of securing the application. Look, if you want to secure application, you can do in two ways. First, you can secure the channel. Secure the channel means whatever data you are sending over the network, it should not go as it is. You should encrypt it. Then it will travel over the network. Once it reaches to the destination, you can automatically should be decrypt. So, has anybody heard about HTTPS? Hmm? Again, not replying. We have HTTP protocol,
Protocol,
and we
hyper text transfer.
secure hypertext transfer protocol. Are you following me? Difference in HTTP, whatever data you send, it goes as it is. But in case of HTTPS, it is going to be encrypted by public key, and it will be decrypted by private key of it. So you got difference between HTTPS and HTTP? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, no. Otherwise, how will come to know? Honestly, I'm telling you, when I'm coming to this session, in this batch, I'm getting demotivated because you people are not replying. I don't know, and this is only in this batch. What is the problem you have, guys? I am speaking, for 1 hour, and you have problem to say yes, So good day, two thing. You want to learn the thing, or simply you are just here coming in the session, maybe not interested. Just coming, just sake of show your appearance. That's it. It is like that.
No, sir.
No, sir, not like that.
So let's continue. So you should reply, right? Not a problem. Yes, I understand. This is not clear to me. Okay, Varsha, you tell me what you understand difference between HTTPS and HTTP.
In HTTPS, the channel is more secure because it is encrypted.
Yeah, when you send data, it does not go as it is.
Okay. And one more thing, it's kind of lame, but at the beginning when I started my college, they said that if a link has HTTP only, then it's a bad website, and if it's
Yeah,
HTTPS, it's a good. Is there anything you want to add to that, or why is it bad?
actually, bad is suppose you are transferring your credit card detail
Mm-hmm.
or your password. Anybody can hack it in between. But if you use HTTPS, your data always will go in the encrypted format. So nobody can temper it, nobody can view it. That is the benefit of it. Got it? Like
Mm-hmm.
you see any website, all are the based on HTTPS. Any website you open, Gmail, Facebook, right? Any website
Mm-hmm.
you see, you cannot see without HTTPS. All are the HTTPS. Even this is you log means HTTPS.
Yes.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So in order to run your application on like इसको you copy it and paste in Notepad. और कहीं पे when you paste it, it would show you HTTPS. See, you got a point. HTTPS
Mm-hmm.
means secure. Your question is in order to move your application on HTTPS channel, do you need to do anything? Yeah, actually, you have to spend some money. Money, Chu? Because why money? Because you have to purchase certificate. Barsha,
Yes, sir.
SSL certificate you have to purchase, and every certificate has expired date. You have to purchase for 6 months, one year, 2 year. Accordingly, you'll be charged. But it's not very expensive, right? It's not expensive. This is just a few dollars. So you got a point. So
Mm-hmm.
so let's run this application on HTTPS today. Ready?
Yes.
Agenda is clear.
Mm-hmm.
Agenda is we are going to run our application on HTTPS. Cool. So like if you want to run your application on HTTPS, you have to purchase SSL certificate. A certificate is just a file which contains private key and public key. So you need private key and you need public key. Marsha, you need both.
Mm-hmm.
How it comes? It comes with the SSL certificate. You got a point?
Mm-hmm.
And SSL certificate is basically sold by a lot of people in the market. Tawate, VeriSigner, GoDaddy, Oracle corporations, right? They are some well-known certificate provider. Clear? So
Mm-hmm.
there are many people who sells the certificate. So everybody has to follow some standard for SSL certificate that is called X.509. So if somebody would say what is X.509, answer is standard for SSL certificate. Hmm? Standard for SSL certificate. Got it?
So there
Barsha?
is different labels for the standard for the
No,
certificate.
Standard means it would be always in same format. It doesn't matter you purchase it from Tawate, VeriSigner, Oracle Corporation, GoDaddy. It doesn't matter from where you purchase it, right? It will be
Uh-huh.
always in same format.
So
That
why
is the
is it
meaning of it.
509? Is it a version or?
Good question. I don't know. I haven't, I don't know about it, right? It's what is the reason? I don't know, right? I'm just using it from long time. Okay, we
Okay.
can check it. Why 509? Fine. It is just a version. You can say, of course, version. But this is not changing, right? I am seeing this from 2007 itself, right? From last 13 years. Mhm.
Yes, sir.
As a certificate, you can store on your computer the file which holds the certificate, that is called key store. Somebody would say, hey, what is the key store? So you can say key store is a file. Huh? It is a file which store
SSL
SSL
certificate.
uh, and SSL certificate, what contains? It contains private key, public key, organization detail, or or organization details, right? Are you following me? It holds organization detail. It expiry date, expiry, when it is going to be expire, right?
Mm-hmm.
Organization means whom you should, and provider detail also, provider huh? Details as all these informations are part of the certificate. I mean, in key store, you can have a certificate. I'm telling you today, in one key store, you can have multiple certificate. How many certificate it can hold? Multiple. So when you add a certificate in a key store file, you have to give a unique name to it. Hey Varsha, you added a certificate. You say
Mm-hmm.
the certificate name is P1. So, so when you push, this is logical also, right? When you push any certificate in the key store, you have to give some name to it, right? So that you can later you can access it. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you push a certificate, you have to give the name to it, and that name is called alias name. What? Hey, how you will refer a certificate inside a key store? By using its alias name.
Alias. Mm.
Yeah. So this much funda is clear to everybody. So we
So
need a certificate.
why do we require multiple certificate? Is it different certificate for different links, or how does that?
No, no, no. I'm saying you can store a multiple certificate, right? From like you can use in multiple server. Okay. The one may be using one. Normally we need one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, in one file you can have multiple certificate, and that certificate you can use for multiple purpose. But for one domain we need one certificate. Suppose your application is running on www.amoga.com, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you need a certificate for it. That's it. Only one certificate. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Can you have
The
multiple key stores?
multiple key store, of course you can have multiple key store, but one server will use only one certificate. Or one key store. What is it? One server will refer only one key store. So there is no question of creating multiple key store. You got a point? But your question is, can we create multiple key store? Of course you can do it. But at a time, one server will use only one. What do you say? At a time, server will use only one. So if you want to report your application on SSL, we need a certificate.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to purchase it. In Java, for testing purpose, you can create a certificate by yourself. What I said? For
Mm-hmm.
testing purpose, we are not going to spend money. We are poor people, right? So what we can do? We can create own certificate using key tool command offered by JDK.
So does that
And
work for any environment?
you can use only for development and testing purpose. You cannot use in production, because if you use in production live, it will give you the warning and people will scare and afraid. Hey, what happened? Right? Like that.
Okay. And
But testing is okay.
like for testing, we can create our own certificate, right? So what
Right.
about for staging and production? You have to have separate
Yeah, yeah.
certificates,
You have to you have to purchase it. Yeah, yeah. Of
like
course.
two separate certificates, or one will work for two different environments.
See, for two different environment, if you want to go to the production, right? Production, you need a separate certificate. And testing and development, you can use self-signed certificate.
So okay, okay,
Yeah.
got it.
So in Java, we have key tool command to manage certificate. Like normally, I'm telling you, when you deal with certificate, first step is create key store. No? What I said?
Create
Create
keys too.
key store, right? Yeah. The second step is uh, purchase certificate. No? You have to purchase the certificate from purchase it. Purchase certificate. Third, import the certificate inside the key store. So total we have three step thing. Create key store, uh, purchase certificate, and next
Import.
import. And there's
So
a
key store
command.
is is key
Import
store a random folder that we create,
random
or is
file,
it
random file. Key store is random file where we can store our certificate. Import the certificate inside key store file. Key store file. Got it? Fourth, you can configure this certificate with your server. What? Next, you can create configure this port. Configure this cert for your server. I'm going to do that. When you use key tool command, right? Self sign certificate 1, 2, 3 step will take automatically will happen in one command. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? All the three step will be done in one command. Are you following me? When self sign cert is created. Got it, Varsha?
yes? And one
1,
more
2, 3.
question:
Hmm.
does the key come with a certificate, or is that the separate
Yeah,
thing?
yeah, yeah. No. Key, public key, all comes with the certificate, because certificate contains key, public key, private key, and all those data. Fine. So 1, 2, 3 step will be done in one command. That is key tool command. I'm going to do that. Allow me. A key tool command comes where? This command comes with JDK. You know JDK? Where JDK is the tool which has Java, Java C, and other commands. So key tool command is the basically command which is used to manage the certificate, and this command comes with the JDK. Hmm? We are good so far.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to use a command to create self-signed certificate. It's creating self-signed certificate using Qt. No? You have to help me. No? Remember, we have to create self-signed certificate. You guys have to help me. This is the command. You guys are confused? No, at all. Let me explain you everything about it. The key tool is a command. Gen key means you want to generate key value pair algorithm RSA alias. Hey, Barisha, alias is the name given to the certificate, right? I told you, right? When you import your certificate into the key store, you have to give the name. What name you want to give?
Self-signed.
Q.
Oh.
You can give cell sign. That's fine with me. And key store name you can give anything, right? I'm just writing Quebec. You guys with me?
Mhm.
Quebec. You can write anything. Doesn't matter.
Is that
Store.
the
No?
is that the order the information is stored in?
No. Order. This is the option, and you can keep any order, right? A key store है तो key store. I'm giving my key store key store password is password protected. So you want to give the password? Yep. No? Your certificate is valid for 1 year, right? It is up to key size. This key size define the strength of the certificate. When you purchase it, they will charge for it, right? But we are, boss here, so we can do anything. Yep. By default, if you don't give the validity, it will take 90 days. Can I try if you allow to me this command?
Yeah.
So when you fire this command, you must know where you are. I'm in my F drive and I'm making a folder mkdir. So I'm using your name. Okay. Like here, what you can do, you can use this command. Nah? It's confusing? No. Self-signed is my certificate alias name, and so this command will do 3 things. It will create key store, it will create a certificate, and certificate will be automatically imported inside key store. And password of key store is root @123. Please remember it. Enter karo. Varsha, it is asking for your first name local. Normally you give your website domain name. Fine. Name of your organization unit. Anything you can write. Okay. Hello. You can write anything. Doesn't matter. Name of your organization. No? That is the part. Technologies. Anything you can write. Doesn't matter. Technologies. This is what is the name of your city. So you can write anything. Doesn't matter. Okay. State. You know. Anything. Whatever you like. US. Hey. This information I have given when I was creating the certificate. Is it right? Yes. No, I did it. Varsha, my certificate is ready. If you confuse, say confuse. If you understand, say understand.
So whenever it's asking for the information, we can put something random, right? Because
Random. If you think like this, you are going to purchase something from the store, you can write anything. You can put any address over there. Doesn't matter. Yes, you know. Simple.
Yeah. So
it is your information here. It is if you are giving some wrong information, no problem.
What is
this
that
information is.
pass?
Pardon.
What's that store pass?
Store pass. Store pass is a password for your. This is password protected, Sabita.
Key store for key store.
This file. Nobody can access it. If you don't have password, you can't access it. This is password protected.
Okay.
You got it? Your certificate is inside this. It is nobody can access it without password. That's why.
And validity is that number of days?
Number of days. After that, your certificate will cry. Oh, right. So here I can show you the validity. Any certificate you see, isi ko dekho. Here it is valid, and you can see the validity from 18th of September 2020 to 17th of December 2020. I think he took the certificate recently.
3 months, yeah.
Yeah. And they issued by Easy Ad Blocker. Issue 2, right? This is issuer, and this is issue 2. The Easy Ad Blocker 2 is also one of the SSL certificate provider. So now agenda is how we can configure the certificate with our application. Allow me. So what I need to do?
So with that, command,
That's it.
we generated our certificate, right? And it's
It
in
is
our
self,
phone now.
yeah. It is self-signed. You cannot use in production because when you use in production, it will show you the warning, right? People will not trust and nobody will do any communication.
Yeah.
This certificate I'm copying it. I'm going to place it inside my project. Yeah, it's okay with you?
Yeah.
Now this certificate I have to configure with my application. Nah? So here configure SSL certificate. Okay, cool. So if you want to configure it in the property file, you need to put the entry, whatever I'm going to show you as. Do not worry about it. No need to mug it. You should have just idea. Like here, the port number, SSL port number, standard port is 8443, right? The port I'm not going to change it. That's fine with you? Sabita, I'm not changing the port. And you have to write the alias name of the certificate. I forget it. Alias name is self-sign. Nah? And password root adder 123. Nah? And what is the name of your key store?
Cubic store.
Yeah. And type JKS. JKS means Java based key store. Fine. Done.
So
I have
we
done.
need-
Oh, only this much we have to do? Yes, we have to do this much. My job is done.
So we add this to application properties file always.
Yeah, only this you have to configure. You have to take. You have to give the key store file name. You have to give the password of it, and you have to tell the which certificate you want to use. Why, Savita? Because in this you may have multiple certificate. So you are saying, hey key store, you are password protected, and I want to use this certificate for my application, which is running on which port number? 999.
999. Okay.
Plus. Let me try. Nah? Oh, this is that much easy. If you know it is easy, simple. Let me try. Now this is not going to be work on HTTP. Let me try. If you have any problem with your certificate, your application will be not up and running. It is done. Nah? Nice. What I need to do? Like here, you have to use HTTPS. Nah? Hello. Then localhost. Which port number?
9999.
999. So it's gone. HTTPS localhost 999. Enter karo. Sabita, like it is showing error. Why? Because the browser come to know this certificate which is used on the server. It is not trusted. It is not. It is self-signed certificate. Your connection is not private. Attacker might be trying to steal your information. Browser came to know. Why? Because browser knows the certificate is not purchased by some well-known SSL vendor. Got it? This is the problem. If you use in production, anybody will not continue. Okay. It's mentioned as fraud and all. Nah? But advanced, I said proceed and localhost means I said it's okay, right? I know. Nah? Now it is running on SSL. You see? Sabita, it is running in Mumbai, it is running in some other country. I am asking from other country. You think like this. Yeah, it mentioned certificate is invalid, right? You want to see information about it? Yeah. There you go. whatever information you put in the certificate, you can see over here the version of the certificate, the issuer, na? But who is issuer? The information I feel like localhost and all. Na? Oh my God, it is magic. It is picking from the certificate which you have configured on the server, right? But right now I'm client side. Browser means client program, right? Client program may be in any country. Server may be valid from Friday, India time, September 24th. Yeah, you say for you it is Thursday, right?
Yes.
But we are ahead. That's why it is Friday. And 1 year, right? Like
Uh-huh.
2021. Public key you can subject all. I hope I'm making myself clear.
So
Yeah.
what would be what's the difference between like the purchased SSL certificate versus this one?
Actually, there is no difference technically, I would say. But you know, if you purchase from this certificate from some third party, right?
Mhm.
Browser has contract with that. This is all about business.
Oh yeah.
If you purchase from some well-known provider, they will have contract. Browser will come to know, hey, it is valid certificate from the GoDaddy, right? Like that. That's it. Fine.
Just to
This,
make the user like safe or something
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah. Just make user safe, and it is professional also, right?
Okay.
Because you know, when you purchase certificate from somebody else, they will give you the guarantee, right? No fraud and all.
Mhm.
But if you use health science certificate, right, you nobody can rely.
Okay.
Got the
So
point?
there's no additional like layer of security or anything like that?
No, no, not much, I would say. Self science certificate is also, good.
Okay.
Got my point? Hmm. I hope you understand why people purchase it. You have to purchase it, and it's very cheaper also. I hope you got this much.
Yes.
So let me show you the next thing. Here, if you run this without HTTP, can you see this? This combination of host not port na required TLS. Like your question may be, hey Nagin, if I'm typing HTTP, then automatically HTTPS should come, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because user should not experience this error. So in order to that, you have to create a SSL configuration file. Why? This file will ensure your application will always run on SSL, HTTPS. You are right. So you have to make a file and just configure. Here I mention it. What I mentioned. If anybody is typing even 8080, right? Forward him to
9999.
9999. कर दो उसको. Or here confidentiality means if anybody type anything, automatically it will go to the HTTPS, right? All, you know. So because of these little changes, sometimes people type HTTP 8080. So, if I run it, it will, if you do not write HTTPS, automatically it will run on HTTPS. Fine. In real life, your application run on which port number? 80.
88.
No, 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 no. In real life, it is 80.
Uh-huh.
So let me make 80. Like in real life, SSL works on 8443. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
What I said? Sorry, I'm sorry. 443. In real life.
Mm-hmm.
So 443 means no need to type the port number. So here you have to write 443. No? Why? 443 is the standard port for HTTPS, which is known across the world. Everybody knows. Benefit, okay? Like here, right now I don't remember, but here you can write anything. Like here, if you type localhost, and you see what happened to this. Actually, a second, you have to mention. Actually, when you deploy, on some server, then automatically it will resolve it. Here you have to type it. Why it's not running?
Is it 443 or 8443?
No, whatever you have configured.
Okay.
एक second. Give me a second. क्या हो गया इसको? 8080 it's failed to start. Give me a second. Problem is coming because of this.
Do you have to match the port in application plot properties and this SSL configuration file?
Yeah. Actually, I'm running. You say यहाँ पे? अरे I'm using other editor, right? In that 8080 is already busy.
Mhm.
Like here we have two port number. One you have in property file
Mhm.
443 HTTPS. Second you have configure 8080, right? So you need 8080 also. Nah?
Yeah.
For which protocol? HTTP. So HTTP is running on 8080 or HTTP is running on
443.
844. That's why it was not started, I guess. I'm running it. Tomorrow I will teach you Spring Security, how to make this application secure. It is running now. No? The benefit is if you type 8080, right? So you should redirect to me on which port number?
443.
Like here I'm not typing it. Why? Oh, it's very weird, na? Why, Sabita? Because 443 is understood by default for HTTPS. It is understood. Oh my God. Localhost ko, I don't know. There is a file. Let me give a try. Okay. Try another. I don't know it will work or not. There is a file here in my C colon drive. You can go to Windows. Or here there would be a System32. System32. And here you'll have etc folder, I guess. A driver etc. There's a host file. Here you can do mapping also. Let's see it works. I want to reload it. What you can map, you can map it, right? You know this is localhost. You know localhost IP is 1.2 dot say 127 dot
0,
0
1.
dot 0 dot yeah, you can map it. I'm just going to map it something कुछ भी cubic.it.com. Okay, open it and change it. Let's see if it works. No? I mapped it, right? So after mapping, like here, okay, if you type this, no, it's not resolving actually. Okay, problem. Ek second, give me a second. I'm thinking. Again, if you type 8080, advanced. Oh, magic. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
You got this much or not? Like,
Got confused.
yes, I got confused too. Like here, I told you, when you write HTTPS, right? By default, port number is, I told you, right? 443. You type or not, doesn't matter, Sabita.
Mm-hmm.
So knowingly, I make the port in my configuration 443. You got my point? So benefit is you write port number and doesn't matter. And this cubic.com, I mapped with what? Sabita, in this file, right? I mapped my local host. Like,
Mhm.
I say you type either local. This is the IP for local host. You know local host.
Yes.
Local host say ally. So you say local host means anybody. When you type cubicit.com means it is local host. That's it. So what's confusion? And I'm telling you, this is only my local machine, right? You cannot access this from anywhere else. Magic is looking like it's running on some global domain name. It's not like that. This domain name is localhost,
Mhm.
and it is only known to my machine. Got it or not? देख मैं अगर if I want I can write this also, right? सबिता ये भी तो कर सकते हो because this is also localhost. Mhm.
Mhm.
Oh my God, it's a host Docker. Actually, it is not added by me. It is when you install the software, automatically entry is done. देख ये भी है ना? Confuse? नहीं ये चल रहा है. अबे you can write your own name also. जैसे you want to write your name to anything. So this is the something I taught you today. Okay. Up- You update it. What happened? If you type my name nagendra.com, all are the same domain, right? Mapped. So यहाँ पे
So
you can type anything. You can write my name also now. Oh my God, what happened? Even I don't know. अरे नहीं नहीं. Actually, this domain name is there, right? So I don't know. It goes to this. This is
Mhm.
not my website.
So is there a limit to how many domains you can map to localhost?
No. There is no limit. Actually, unfortunately, that already exists, right?
Mhm.
That is global, right?
Yep.
ये global है.
So neither. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
So two websites can have the same domain, right? It has to have a different domain.
Why not? Two website? No.
One
अरे
website can
one
have multiple
one
domains.
website can have multiple domain, but two website. देखिए ये ना PK Nagendra, because Nagendra was already existing, right? That's why. Hello. One website may have multiple domain. Clear? अरे I have already. I can show you. This is my website, right?
Mhm.
Are you with me?
Yep.
Technohung.biz, techno.in, all are my domain. Co.in, all those. So, you know what I'm saying? This is purchased by me. You got a point?
Mm.
What does this
Done.
website do? It looks cool.
My dear friends, I hope you understand SSL. So I'm giving you, achha, no, already it is on Git, let me push it. And what and? This command I'm going to send you, is okay with you?
Yes.
Let's
Please.
go.
Yes.
Copy. And SSL command, I'm putting it over here. Tomorrow we are going to cover Spring security. Please assignment if you have, please do it. Otherwise you can ask, I can give you more assignment. SSL dot SSL dot config dot txt. I'm just putting all the commands here. I can last I can give you the file location, Sabita. But if you
Mm-hmm.
don't remember, I can give you the location of the file.
Sure.
यहाँ पे, है ना? So what I have configured, I'm just giving you. I've just done some configuration, so done. Running application on own host, own domain. Sorry. So I have a lot of things like this, hosting and all, but it's okay. Hosting is not part. So let me push this code. Tomorrow I'll give you the idea about SSL handshake and this and Spring Security.
Answer.
Yes, please.
This is Spring Security and JWT same thing. It's two different things.
No. JWT and Spring Security both are different thing. But JWT we use with Spring Security. Spring Security is a big umbrella. You think like that. And JWT is the portion of it. So I'll teach you this. Spring Security, JWT, all these all are in my agenda. SSL implementation or porting application on SSL channel, secure channel. Code is pushed. You know the link, right?
Yes, we have.
Okay. So guys, I think if you have any query, you can ask. Otherwise, we are good for now. Tomorrow we can start with new topic. But guys, tomorrow I would like to give you more assignment because important thing is if you're not doing assignment, then it's not good. Somebody say hi. In group, I will send you a couple of the diagram. Okay. Done. Friend, anybody have any query for me? No, yes.
So I had this question, like, how does the deployment work? Like, let's say if you want to deploy the whole application in your server.
Yeah, we'll do that. Actually, tomorrow you can remind me. On weekend, you can start your AWS session, right? So I can give you the idea about deployment, how things are deployed. Actually, this is an agenda. Clear? Your question is how once application is done, how we deploy in the cloud and all.
Yeah.
That is an agenda. So tomorrow you can remind me. Okay, you guys can ask what is the timing for AWS session.
Okay.
Please remind me. I will tell you the time.
One question, Nagendra.
Pardon?
One question on so this SSL and security part of developers. So how much to the security team?
Actually, when you're speaking, I think you have some internet issue. We heard just 3 or 4 words, in last.
My question was this SSL and this security stuff. I hear some feedback from, I don't know, it looks like you are the only one unmuted and there's a lot of noise.
A second. It is just started to come or it's from the beginning?
It's gone now.
Maybe it is.
It looks like
Okay.
Savita has a problem with the mic. We can't still understand her.
Savita, you can give a try once again. Please, one more time.
So we can't hear Savita. We can't understand her.
Okay, no problem. I'll try.
Actually, what I'm planning is I'll give feedback to the management, right? If somebody is coming to join the training, offer them a good quality of headphone. Everybody.
Maybe new laptop.
Laptop also. Not bad idea. Hello, guys. Okay, so I have done for today. You guys can leave. I'll catch you tomorrow in next session. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. Javed? एक सेकेंड. एक सेकेंड सबिता. Let me check your question. My question is regarding SSL and security. How much work developer need to do? It depend on, right? Sometimes you are not going to bother about it. One only some, rarely you have to do it. But it's good to have knowledge. Fine.
Okay.
It's not like you are going to implement always. No. Sometimes you will not get an opportunity to do all those things because SSL configuration or everything is done by normally DevOps people. DevOps. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem then. Bye. Bye. Bye.